There's something here I want to talk about. Recently, there was this thing that happened in Texas, right? We had these whistleblowers coming around speaking out in the Congress, and then the Congress, it gets blocked by military. Well, I don't want to say, okay, not everybody will believe me, but if you think about this, have you heard of Skinwalker Ranch in Utah? The secret of Skinwalker Ranch, they're there doing these experiments to try to see if there's this portal or this gateway in this mesa in the Uinta the Uinta Basin. Well, there's this mesa there, blah blah blah. A lot of Native Americans would not want to hear this. They don't like this because they know what it is. They're ancient people. They know this stuff. Anyway, if you look here, straight down, Texas, right? Fort Worth. From Fort Worth all the way to Vernon, Texas. See, I was facing to the northwest with that. Okay, look, you got Fort Worth. This is just sitting right there. You have Vernon up here in the bottom. Amarillo. If I'm saying these wrong, I'm sorry. Anyway, you got these places like this, seeing this object in the sky, in the northwest sky. We got Fort Worth here, and they've been seeing objects all over this area. Apparently there was this balloon that was seen. No one knew what it was, other than the other balloon that was seen. But then, if you look here, let's go across here. Pay attention to this. So these places, let me move that out of the way. Let's get a measurement. If you add a point here, we'll just say Fort Worth, for example. Fort Worth, which is west of Dallas, I believe. Yeah. You want to go here, add point. Okay. Now, this is when the fun begins. You stretch across to Utah from here. Go across to Utah from here. Your guys are about to be blown. Northwest sky, right? You go over here and you stretch this pointer all the way to Utah from there. You just gotta find the right place. I'm pretty sure Skinwalker Ranch was up in there somewhere. But it's close to it. Close enough. The direction of Utah. Look at that direction from Utah. This thing is being seen from here. It has to be. I forgot where Skinwalker Ranch was here in this map. I'm pretty sure it's down here somewhere. I know. And there's also said to be this place up, underground cave right over here, Dulce, New Mexico. It's on the border of Colorado. There's said to be this place where you can go underground there, in the mesa there. But then you got all this stuff going on up here in the Skinwalker Ranch area. Now tell me this is not something up here. Come on, look where it crosses. It crosses straight through where Dulce is. Let's see. Let's zoom in to Colorado and see where this... I know Dulce... I think it's called Dulce or Dulce. Red River? Is it near Red River? It's somewhere along this. It's not Red Valley. Nothing more this way. There is a place here called Dulce. Now we're in the panhandle of Oklahoma now. Probably got to get closer to it to see it. It was somewhere near Trinidad, Cuesta, Tonito. It was somewhere up in here along this. Somewhere. And I'm sorry I can't seem to find that. But anyways, back to what I was talking about. Yeah, this direction of Utah from Texas, from Fort Worth to be exact, and these other places that said they seen this in the same direction. We gotta find Skinwalker Ranch. I know Provo is nearby. I'm just trying to find the Skinwalker Ranch. Man, I should have done this before I started recording. Anyway, we're going to find this. And I'm going to point this right on it. Oh, if I can find it. I forgot what area it is. I'm pretty sure it was near. I might be wrong, though. Now we're in Nevada. Uinta Basin. Where is the Uinta Basin? Basin. Oh yeah, it wasn't far from here. Okay, I think I'm finding it now. Fort Dushan, yeah, because the fort's down there. I think this is it. Somewhere in here. Pleasant Valley Hunting Preserve. Cat sand. I thought it was somewhere over here. Might be here, because the Mesa, yeah, north of the Mesa. The triangle steps in this area. I think I found it because that's the Mesa right there. I'm pretty positive that's the Skinwalker Ranch Mesa. Or right here. Right here. The triangle, yeah, there we go. We found it, right? This triangle is where these objects are said to be being seen above this Mesa. We level this out with the spiral and the monument, the geoglyph spiral. If you look, it looks like steps here, right? Looks like steps leading up to the top of something. Well, you get up here and you find the circle. The spiral, the native spot where they said and claim, and there's a snake if you look. That looks like a snake, right? There's a spiral with the snake coming out from the spiral. That says to be the wormhole, the portal. Let's use this location, which is 1,399 kilometers away from Texas, northwest of it to be exact. Well, we leave this marker over this monumented area, the circle. And we zoom out. Right, we zoom out. We add the point here though. But I'm going to use just the triangle itself. Pinpoint that, because the triangle is direct source toward the Mesa. We ain't going to go over the Mesa. Now, add point. Boom, got that mark now. Now when you're looking at this, check this out. Very small, very large, that's a very long range. Look at this. What do you have to the northwest of Fort Worth now? And this is it's 1,259 miles away. People are seeing this from there. Wait, that's wrong. It is. No, it's not. I just have it stuck. It's 869 miles. It's 869 miles. Forget the one that's dangling off the thing. That's trying to get me to mark another point. But if you think about it, cut this over toward Vernon. What does that make? It makes a triangle, a very acute triangle. That is insane. Insane. Okay, anyway, this went longer than I wanted it to. There's your distance right here. I mean, look at this. It literally went from here all the way across. From there all the way to Utah. So Skinwalker Ranch. Now, what does that tell you? Everyone, you're seeing these objects in the sky. They're doing these tests over at Skinwalker Ranch. Pentagon, they released all these things, footages of these things, you know, and then you're finding yourself seeing this object in the sky, northwest sky of Texas, a couple of nights ago. Around close to the time, I think, when they did their tests there in Skinwalker Ranch. What you've seen there is the reaction of something reacting to them at Skinwalker Ranch all the way 869 miles away. People, you're witnessing something great here. They're discovering something about our secrets of our planet. This is secrets to our planet, to be honest, because they're finding these things underground in the earth, and it's affecting things on that property. creating these wormholes. And apparently people seeing dire wolves, seeing all these unknown beasts and stuff there. What are these unknown creatures people are seeing there? Of course, think about it. A dire wolf was in the past. That's the past. And future. There could be things coming from the future. This could be a warp, a gateway, going from dimensions. Whether that's, a dimension could be time and space, like past and the future. It could be something different. It could be an opposite of what we're used to. It could be something reversed, time reversed. It could be multiple things, and they're experiencing all these frequencies here. And there's this weird stuff happening, and there's been a lot of weird planes, balloons seen over Texas, and now UFOs being seen, UAPs as you want to call it. This stuff is happening, everyone. And look at the direction of this. Think about that very deeply. Just really think about that. If you live in Texas and you're in these areas and you've seen these things and you've seen it, you know exactly this direction is, this direction is accurate. I mean, it might have been more west to some of y'all because you're more north. But if you were more south, it's going to look more north to you if you're further over, in these points here. If you're further up here or down here more, it's going to look more north for you. But if you're up here in these areas, Oklahoma, places like that where the blue dots are, it's going to look more west of you. So, yeah, there you go. That's my theory on this. I mean, this is just a theory. I'm speculating. This might not be true. You ain't got to listen to me. But anyway, that's what I want to talk about on this discussion. Like, this ain't no edited video, nothing like that. I just screen recorded and I'm talking. That's it, though. Such a strange world we live in, everyone. Yeah, anyway, I'm going to let this go with that. Comment your ideas. Tell me what you think. I want to know what you think. Does this make sense or does it not make sense? Now, I would appreciate if I got some likes on this video, because I didn't have to come out and talk about this stuff. I mean, this takes guts to talk about because not everybody believes in this. I just want to share what I feel, like what I've seen, what I've noticed. I took notice of this just recently. So this is it. I hope this video gets shared. I hope many other people react to my video. I hope they react to this on a YouTube channel. I hope they discuss this, talk about all this stuff. Every YouTuber I watch. I'd hope to see this on someone's channel one of these days. Maybe get it on Tyler from Secure Team or something, I would love to hear what their thoughts are on this idea or theory that I have. And it seems legit. And I'm sure Tyler's already witnessed and seen the video of Texas. I'm sure he's already been discussing this. I haven't watched him in a while. I don't know. Sorry, Tyler. I am a subscriber to your channel, and I haven't watched you that much anymore. But I'm busy, part of it. Anyway, off that subject, be nice to get viewed by others and their opinions on this. Even Casper Sight. Okay, I watch Casper Sight. Just Rambo it, Anyway, he might have some good theories on this. Art of Kicks. I know you're into this topic. You're into this whole alien thing, this UFO, UAP, whole agenda. You've been watching this and saying they've been coming, man. Okay, if you watch Art of Kicks, you know what I'm talking about. Anyway, some of you guys out there that are already reacting to videos of stuff like this, and you believe it, I'd love to hear what your opinion is on it. What do you think about my theory? Anything. Anybody out there that reacts to videos, just check this out. Let me know what you think. And again, this is speculation and theory. I pinpointed something here with a map on Google Earth, and it shows something. I just want to know what your opinion could be, too. No rude comments, please. Just tell me what you think. This is kind of making sense. Anyway, goodbye, everyone. It's nice talking to you all. Until I have another thing to speculate about. This is Alex Libra cutting out. Soon to be Thunderman 93. Cut out.